So I will be sharing my phone screen with you, so I will show you exactly what I did in order to change some in order to add other languages to my video. So if somebody is in a French speaking country, they will tend to, take a look at my videos and they will understand what I'm saying. So please, I'll be sharing my phone screen on the screen. So quickly, let us dive in. So here I have my YouTube. I am in my YouTube studio. First thing I need to check is where are my traffic source, where are my audience coming from. So here, let's see where my audience are coming from. I will just go to my YouTube analytics. Okay, now I will go to my audience. I'll click on my audience and it will bring me here so I can see where my audience are coming from. I'll click on geography, so it will show me the geographical location of where my audience is coming from. Okay, so here is a geographical location where my audience is coming from. I have my viewers watching from Nigeria, United States, India, Egypt, Iraq, Germany, Brazil. I also have people watching from Vietnam. I also have people watching from the Philippines, from Indonesia and all. Okay, so quickly, let me go back and see how I will help this audience get to understand what I'm saying in my videos. Okay, so I will go back to my video. If you have uploaded your video on YouTube, just click on that video. All right, go to the left hand button where you see the pencil sign. Okay, go down and click on subtitle. All right, just the way I'm doing now. Now when you click on subtitle, it will bring you here. All right, it will show you that YouTube has automatically published a subtitle for you. So the title for this video is English, the video language is English. Okay, so now in the title and description, they told me I'm not eligible because I'm not monetized. So in this case, you are going to see the second language. So you are going to, publish it automatically so that it will go a long way. Click on this place they wrote published automatically. All right, it will bring out this pencil sign. Now if you click on the second one that is not automatically, it will bring you here showing you that you have not, it's not auto translate. Okay, so we'll go back and click on this automatic. It will show this pencil sign. Once it shows this pencil sign, okay, click on the pencil sign. It will bring you here override track. This will override your existing English caption. Click on continue. All right, so this is the transcript that YouTube automatically generated for me. All right, so with this, I already know that if I want to make any adjustments, I'll do that. If no, I will just publish. Click on publish. It will automatically publish. Now this helps me to add different language. Okay, see, it is showing me that I've published it automatic. Okay, so I'll come down here and click on add language. Now when I click on add language, I have already known where my traffic source is coming from. So let me go and choose the country where my traffic source is coming from. So I will be doing just that. So I will just scroll down and scroll down. I'm looking for my traffic source. One of them is coming from India and they speak Hindi. So I click on Hindi. Okay, so if you're in India and you want to watch my video, it will be translated for you in Hindi language. Okay, so I'll come to this place, click this pencil sign. All right, just follow me. It is very, very easy. Now do you see it has shown me auto translate? So I want them to translate it automatically for my viewers who are in India, and I click auto translate. Are you seeing the wonders that YouTube is doing? It has translated everything I said in that video in Hindi language. Okay, so this is very, very easy, something that you can do. So if I have any adjustment, I will do that, but where there is no adjustment, I'll click on publish. So immediately it will publish it. All right, so when anybody from India is watching my videos, it will automatically show like this, so they can actually switch to go and check for their own language. Okay, now because I'm not eligible, I cannot add the title and subtitle to be translated for me in Hindi language. So that is what is showing me. But if you are monetized, it will do that for you. It will automatically translate it for you. So this is very, very easy. If you want to add as many languages, 10, 15, 20, guys, this is what big YouTubers are doing. So I just want to show you. I will still add one other language. My viewers are also coming from Germany, so I am going to add a German language. Okay, so I will come down here. Yes, the first thing is, okay, Brazil. Let me use Brazil. Brazil speak Portuguese, so I am going to be adding that. All right, just the same step. Click the pencil sign, go to auto generate. It auto generates it just like you are seeing on the screen. So once it's auto generated, I will just go and click published, and are you seeing, guys, it has published. So I'm going to be using this to add as many languages so that it will be easy for me to get to a larger audience. Okay, so let me see, let me just add one to make it 3 languages. All right, so this is just the easiest way where you can add subtitle to your videos to get to a global audience, so people who are in different parts of the world can watch your videos and they will understand what you are saying. Okay, thereby you are adding value, so you are not limited to the geographical location where you are making that video. Guys, this is a very simple setting. Okay, so you see it has already generated it for me, and I click on published. Okay, guys, so this is just the way you can add your subtitles. It is very easy. So let me know if you are trying it today, or if you found this video useful. If you found it interesting, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. See you next in our next video. Bye.